everyone, I want to share a super quick craft that you can do with your toddler. It doesn't even take 5 minutes to set up and it's so much fun. I did it with my boy this morning and we had a splash. There was water everywhere, but he had so much fun, so it's totally worth it. Now all you need for this craft is a bucket. You can use a clear bucket or a colored bucket, even the bathtub if you want. If you've got a little splash pool for your kitty, anything like that, anything you can put water in is fine. You need a pool noodle. Now I cut discs from my pool noodle. You just need 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 of these, and then you need googly eyes and a glue gun. I stuck mine on with a glue gun. I've tried craft glue, it doesn't stick as well, they tend to come off. So I found that my glue gun works best. But I mean, just look at that little face. Isn't that the cutest thing ever? Now, you're going to need 1 of these, or like I said, 4 of these, the more the merrier. This is pipe cleaners. I've got colored pipe cleaners, and I cut them into quarters, like so. And a straw. This is a paper straw. They do kind of disintegrate when they get wet. So that's okay if you've got only paper straws, but you've got proper straws, they will last longer, but the paper straw works fine. Now all you do is, obviously your glue gun on your eyes, and when that is dry, your toddler will take, if they can, mine struggles, so I do it for him, but if your kitty can, you take your little legs and you stick them on into the side and stick them in nice and deep, like that. So luckily the pool noodle is nice and soft, so they should go in without too much hassle. On the other side, oops, sorry, this one is coming out the front. Okay, on the other side, if you want, you can take a pencil or a little stick or twig or something and make holes beforehand to make life easier, but they do go in easy. And now you can just bend your little legs, or your child can bend your little legs any which way. And these we call froggies. I know that they don't, resemble a frog completely, but that's what the imagination is for. Now this is your little froggy. So what you do is you fill your bucket with water, bucket, bathtub, whatever you've got. And then what my son and I did is we took a walk outside and we collected rocks and twigs and leaves and things, and we put that in the water. And he played with those rocks for 10-15 minutes just with the rocks, the rocks in the water. He had so much fun with that. So you are going to create a little pond for your froggies. So add in your rocks and your twigs and whatever you've got, and then your froggy goes into the water, and obviously your froggy is going to float. So we had a whole little exercise where we would put rocks in and they would go down to the bottom, they would sink, and we would put leaves and our froggy in and they float. And that was a fun moment for him to realize that some things go to the bottom and some things float. Now while your froggy is floating, you bring out the paper straws, and then what they do is they blow the froggies up and down the pond with the straw. That should keep them busy for another couple of minutes. So that is a win. If they stick they will do this. If they stick their straws in the water and they blow, they will also see bubbles coming up. And those little faces are amazing. So let them try that as well. Towards the end, because your paper straws don't last. But that is a lovely, lovely 5-minute craft to keep the kiddos busy for a while. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.